this is indicator 2 of the bonus 1 indicator bundle, and this is high low HA alert. And how it works is where my cursor's at. So when it makes a final high, and then there's a color change, and the candle closes, it's going to print this arrow. And this arrow, you can have a push notification. So since I like to trade 1 hour time frames, I want to get it on a 1 hour time frame, and I want to get pinged to know that possible sell trade set up, rather than have to stare at my charts all the time. And so as you can see, it'll make a final. It always has to do with Heikin Ashi color change because there's a lag in time, and I want that lag in time. If it was just a bearish candle, that could happen as price is moving down. Here, I can't move it, but as you can see off the left hand side, you could get that if it's just a bullish candle, you can get an arrow and it'd be a false signal. And so it's the same for buy alerts. So obviously you see this final low, and then once it makes a final low and this candle closes, it'll send a push notification or alert, or just display on the chart. And so there's a look back feature. I have it set at 3 bars because sometimes it takes a few candles before this before the color changes on Heikin Ashi. Sometimes it's 3, sometimes it's 4, sometimes it's 5, and then finally. But I have it on there. It can be adjusted. And so there's buy alert mode and sell alert mode. And on here, so let's look at it like riskiest, riskier, risky. So this has the most risk. This has kind of in between the risk. I'll explain that here in a second. And then this is the safest, or risky. And so basically it's final low, bullish candle. That happens quite a bit. But the option's there. If you really want to get in, like right as it's turning, rather than waiting for that Heikin Ashi to turn, because the lag time in candles versus Heikin Ashi and how they develop. I usually do it set on color change because that seems to be consistent. Or if you want to put them both, so it'd be a final low, it'd be a bullish candle, and a color change. So you're just stacking. So it's like, okay, price does want to go in that direction. And the same for sell mode. It's just the opposite. High and bearish candle, high, color change, high, bearish candle, and color change. Hit OK. And as you can see, you can go back through and look at where some of these candles would have been. And that's it for this indicator.